Hello, so this question is maximum product subarray. So you are given a nums array and then you want to return the largest product. So the way to get a maximum product from left to right is traverse from left to right. And then in order to get a maximum for the right product is from right to left. So think about this scenario. I want to get a current product for the left is going to be what? So for this value, the default value for the left product by itself is 1. 1 times 2, that will become 2. And this one will be 1 times 4, that will become 4. And then if you move on the next index, so I will only move on one index, but if I move over, I will be able to know the reverse index. So if I move to here, so that will be 3. So 2 times 3, that will become my left product. So it's going to be 6. And then this will be what? The second index, right? So you will say the total length minus 2, that will be here, right? So you will have to time the negative 2 right here. So it's going to be negative 8. And then you would keep doing this until you hit the end of the array. That being said, you also have a multiplication from the end to the beginning of the array on the right product. And then let me just write out the solution. So I'll have a result, and then I will return result. And then in the meanwhile, I'm going to create a left result for 0 and then right result for 0. And I'm traversing based on the index because I need to use the index to find out the reverse index for my left and right. So I will do this. Left result will become equal to, if my left result is equal to 0, by default it's going to be 1 because there's no value beforehand 2, right? So I will set the default to 1, and then later on I will do what? The left result, whatever the result I have. So if I'm on the second index, I will have the left result that is already represent 2, and then this will become anything beforehand. And then you need to times your current index. It's going to be representing num to the I. So at this moment, you will be able to find out, okay, if I equal to 0, then I will default to 1. 1 times num to 0, that will represent 2. So this will become 2. If I equal to 1, this not valid. So this is 2, right? You have a calculation beforehand, 2. 2 times num set 1, that will become 3. So 2 times 3 will become 6. So same idea for the right result. And then you will multiply the num set length minus 1 minus I. That was started from the end of the index, and then minus the reverse whatever you traverse the in order way. So this will be reversed. So after you get these two results, then you can keep updating whatever the maximum result between the left and right. So by default, this shouldn't be 0. This should become the first index for the num. So at the end, this will be pretty valid because you can have a negative value, right? So yeah, so this is a solution for time and space. Space is constant, time is all of them. So this will be a solution. All right, see you.